The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. You know every need of my heart. You lead me to pastures peaceful and green. Beside the still waters I rest. When I am weary, you restore my soul and guide me in paths that are right. Whatever tomorrow may bring to my door, my shepherd is walking beside me. You